In the first instance, it's about developing a new coating which can be applied as a bearing surface. So when we have the articulation between the cup and the head, let's say, an improved wear performance, but also would like to apply the coating to the tapers as well. So those are the non-articulating surfaces between the head and the stems.
The taper connection, that is the connection between the head and the hip stem, is one of these areas where we suddenly have seen many problems in the past. And that's the reason why we thought it would be an interesting attempt to coat the tapers in order to prevent corrosion.
When you start to develop a coating, you need to go right back to the beginning. What you need there is some form of requirements or a target profile, and that'll tell you how the coating has to behave under the different scenarios that you're going to subject it to.
At Linköping University, we developed the process. We looked at specific process parameters, fundamental process parameters, in order to make the process work and the coating work.
For this particular coating in this project is high power impulse magnetron sputtering is the technology which has been developed and used for the performance of silicon nitride. The advantage of this technology is that it does not generate droplets that we needed to polish in the past.
We've used this suite of assays to interrogate whether silicon nitride, this new material, causes adverse responses in the cells, and we've compared it to some other widely used materials, and everything that we found today indicates that the cells tolerate the silicon nitride very, very well.
A major challenge is in terms of the engineering or in terms of the science, and trying to transfer what we've learned in the research environment to the industrial environment, and that's been very difficult indeed, and I'm not quite sure we're there yet. We've got some bits that are right, but there are some bits that we need improving.
We did in the last year a systematic attempt to correct all the issues we have observed. We think that by 2020 there will be a silicon-based coating which will be available.